East Fordham Road right here. Now, I'm not sure if you gotta pay to get in there, but we're about to see. Woo. Never knew the Bronx Zoo was like by East Fordham. Never knew the Bronx Zoo was by Fordham Road over here. So it's basically down the block from Fordham Road, like the main strip is right up the block this way. So that's where the shopping centers and everything is at Fordham Road. I ain't know that though. And this is basically like, this the highway. You can jump on the highway right here to go upstate. State New York, Spring Valley area and all that type of stuff, Terrytown. Yep. I think this is I-87 if I'm not mistaken. But this is East Fordham Road. And as you go up this block over here, this literally takes you directly to East Tremont. So if you just follow this whole road straight down, this will take you down to East Tremont area, which is like near the two line. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like everything connects, you know? That's why I say a lot of times, like, when we just walking, you get to see so much more when you just walking and exploring. Because I would have never known they connect this way. And it looks like they got like a park over here. I'm about to go over to that park. You see that park over there? I'm about to go over there. It's actually a very, very nice day to be out and about in New York City. Like I said in the last video, I'm making plans to head out to Thailand, which is, you know, one of the things that was on my bucket list to travel to, one of the places. So I'm looking to do that fairly soon. So there's a park right here, but I'm not sure how you get inside. Maybe we gotta walk around. Let me see. It's a nice looking park. And this is Fordham University on this side. This whole area over here. And I believe they got the dorm rooms and stuff is down this way. So this is the Bronx. Oh, this is the Botanical Garden, New York Botanical Garden right here. Now, I'm not sure if you got to pay to get in there, but we're about to see. Yeah, man, it's the Swaganese Travels, you know the vibes. We're in New York City with this. You heard? And the BX. The Bronx is not always just the hood stuff and, you know, street activities. It's much more. They got the Botanical Gardens here, you know what I'm saying? So it's up to you to find the things that's like settling for your spirit and whatever makes you happy, you know what I'm saying? You get whatever you want out here. You want the streets, you can get the streets. You want peace and serenity, you could get that too. So I don't see an entranceway, and that street is looking like it's super far up. But damn, I wish I could get inside here. That'd have been nice. It's mad bright outside today. It was like super cold and rainy yesterday, so you know, it's kind of dope that we got like a cool day today. You know what I'm saying? Ho-ho. Yeah, y'all. Woo. Fix myself. Gotta get my hair did, man. Definitely gotta pay a visit to the hair salon. You know what I mean? Somebody need to twist this thing up, baby. I should low-key lit out here today. It's mad nice. Oh. Cause sometimes, you know, when it's gloomy out and shit like that, that should just make you want to just lay down. You don't really want to even be outside and doing nothing like At least for me. I'm not like a real party animal, and I don't really like doing too much of that. So I like to be out and about doing shit like this, moving around. So when the weather is nasty, I can't really even move around the way I want to, you know? So I don't see another entrance way to get inside the park. I don't know. But clearly it's a big ass park right here. So we were just over there across the street. We just crossed the street basically. I was trying to get inside of here, but there's literally no entrance way to get inside. It's just gated. And I don't know how far that should go down. I don't want to get lost in that shit. It's New York City bus. It's the 12 bus. Pelham Parkway, it says. Fordham University area. Right off of Fordham Road here. This is East Fordham Road, y'all. East Fordham Road. I always get a breath of fresh air when I do this type of shit. And I'm Swaganese traveling, man. I decided to take a little detour. I was like sitting around and shit. You know, I've been on YouTube all week, probably for the last couple of weeks. It's really like looking at mad shit in Thailand and shit like that, seeing what kind of areas that I might want to go to if I, you know, pop out. Just want to make sure that, you know, I got a good understanding of what I'm seeing first before I get out there. Although there's a lot of guys out there I'm sure I'll probably run into, you know, that could probably show me the landscape and stuff like that. But before I get to a place, I like to kind of do my little own study. So that's what I'm in the process of doing right now in regards to that. And then also you gotta follow the procedures. There's the procedures to everything, you know. There's a lot of paperwork that needs to be done. There are ways that you can just visit, you know what I mean? Get a short stay visit. But what I'm trying to do is a little different, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to do a long stay visit, which is gonna require a little bit more, you know, personal information and paperwork, which means I probably have to go to the embassy eventually to go inquire about the visa. There's variations to the visas, if you guys aren't familiar with it. For me, I'm looking to do like possibly like the non-immigrant status one, which is a long stay term visa for Thailand. I'm not sure what it is for other places, but Thailand is where we heading to. They got Pattaya, Phuket, Bangkok. I think I'm going to Bangkok. They say Bangkok is like a nice place. For what I can see, it's actually like it's cool areas. You know what I'm saying? They got somewhat of the city feel, and then they also got the you know, like the regular Thailand, you know, what do you call it? Decorum. You feel me? So we're gonna hit up some of the temples and stuff like that. Yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for that, man. We're definitely gonna be making our way towards Thailand, even if it's not for a long-term stay, which I really want to do. Let's not get that screwed up. I really want to do a long-term stay, but even if I do a short-term stay, I will be in Thailand. That's like one of the things I have to do. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we're gonna be outside again, man. Yeah, her. It's Swaganese Travels. I'm your host, L Gunner. You know the vibes, man. Gunner's Great Escapes. We're gonna head out to Thailand, and we gonna once we get over there, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. You feel me? You never know what goes on in the world, so that's a part of the adventure aspect of it all. You know what I'm saying? I look forward to this little trip right here, and I'm putting it out into the universe so we can manifest it, you know what I'm saying? All it takes is a little bit of action, you know? Like prior to me going to Canada, like I said. Canada, I mentioned Canada because that was like something different, you know what I mean? That was me just venturing off, you know. I pretty much did a little bit of research on it, but I really just jumped into the waters, you know what I'm saying? And wound up out there in Canada, Montreal, Canada, which was a great experience for me, you know what I mean? Being out and about on your own, you know, had to renew my passport, so that was a little, you know, process. But I like to be able to say, yeah, I checked off that you know what I mean, off my bucket list. Whatever it is that I had a thought of, I can say I checked it off, you feel me? So that's one of the things I actually did, you feel me? And we're gonna do some more cool shit like that. So this is Swaganese Travels. I'm your host, L Gunner. You know what I mean? The saint of God. You know the vibe, Swaganese. You know? Big bop like a clock, and it don't stop, man. Y'all tap in with me, you're tap in with your boy, man. Yo, for all of y'all expats that's out there in Thailand, man, y'all catch this vlog. It's your boy L Gunner. I'm from Harlem. I'm popping out. We ain't breaking the ruckus. We breaking plans. We big business. Big sauce, big swag, you heard? And we're gonna try to make some things happen, man. So shout out to everybody that's out there right now doing their thing, man. You heard? You heard? You heard? Tuning out, man. It's your boy, Gunner.